guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of CosBox. This may or may not be my last one because it's kind of expensive and there's a lot of things I really didn't use from the last one. So hopefully this one's better. If not, I'm canceling after this one. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Has a little booklet there. It's a nice little magazine. Kind of reminds me of FabFitFun with their little books. Let's see what this is. Want to win a free annual CosBox membership and $500 to the add-on. Oh, okay, that's nice. I guess they really want me to do this. They put two of them in there. Okay, this is a little postcard. That's nice. Although I'll put that in like something, I don't know. Let's see, CosBox, meet the wild konjac sponge. Oh, am I getting one of those? Cool. Okay. First thing I'm pulling out is what is this? Some kind of reusable bag. Oh, that bag stinks. Must be the, oh, Jesus. It smells. It's like a reusable soap. That's nice. What does it say about this? Okay. It says, okay, this is choice one. I guess everybody got this. Feed Projects Canvas Market Coat. That's what this guy is. Not to find that. Okay. It says you can get one of three colors: Glacial Gray, Coastal Stripe, and Sea Blue. This must be Coastal Stripe. That's pretty. It says, hunger is a daily reality for 795 million people around the world. With this tote, you are part of the solution by helping to provide school meals to kids in need. Feed creates good products that help feed children around the world. To date, Feed has given over 100 million meals through their nonprofit partners. Through this partnership, we've donated 900,000 meals and counting. Well, that's cool. And it says the retail value of that bag is $108. What? Really? I mean, it has all kinds of cute pockets. I mean, is it leather? Are the straps leather? Okay. Really big and spacious. See? Okay. Huh. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Let's go back to choice two. You can get three things. Because you get three choices on choice two. You can get Palm and Perkins set of 4 upcycled napkins, Nimble Champ light portable charger, or Diff charitable eyewear Fin Sea Turtle blue light glasses. Okay. What did I get? Okay. I was really hoping to get the blue light glasses, but it looks like I got a portable charger. What color is it? It says Nimble Chimp Light Portable Charger is power on the go. This portable charger will give you two full phone charges fast. Nimble is making tech more sustainable with their eco-friendly materials and one-for-one tech recovery project. Made with bioplastics and recycled aluminum, Nimble recycles 1 pound of e-waste for every product sold. There's several different colors. Mine is in this color. So that's cool. Well, we can't go wrong with the charger. You know. Oh my god, why won't you go back in? Get in there, goofball thing. Oh my, get in there. Okay, and this retails for $49.95. Okay. Alrighty. Let's see, number 3, I think everybody got this one. It says, This Works Stress Check Sleep Spray. I love that stuff, so that's cool. It says, there's that right there. It's full size, so. Put your stress and anxiety to bed, made with 100%. Hold on a second. Okay, sorry about that. My neighbor delivered one of my packages to me. The post office gave it to her by accident. And Dobby's crazy. Anyway, we were talking about this. This is the Stress Check Sleep Spray from This Works. It says, put your stress and anxiety to bed. Made with 100% natural essential oils. Spread your pillow with this sleep spray and enjoy its naturally calming and relaxing effects. Cruelty-free and vegan. All packaging is fully recyclable and biodegradable. Value is $25. So I'm happy about that. I like that. So far, the things, I can use the tote. I can use the portable charger. And I can definitely use this. I love this stuff. Okay. Alrighty. So okay. Number 4, you can get one of 3 products. You can get Glass Ladder & Co. Catherine Tech Organizer Roll. The Stojo Collapsible 16-ounce cup. Oh, Mom's playing with Dobby.
Oh, he wants me to. There.
Okay. You can either get the Glass Ladder & Co. Catherine Tech Organizer Roll, the Stojo Collapsible 16-ounce cup, or the Maji Sports Stretch and Exercise Bands, pack of 3. I got Glass Ladder & Co. Tech Roll. Here's what it looks like. That brown thing. You know, I don't know. Keep your essentials in place with this innovative tech roll. Glass Ladder & Co. creates beautiful designs that help young women feel confident and chic as they step into professional settings. Made with Farm Sanctuary approved vegan leather, female owned and operated. I don't know if I'd use this. Yeah, I won't use this, so I'm going to put this up for swap. Okay. Item number 5. I guess you can get one of 3 things. It says you can get the Pure Lit Mist Illuminating Setting Spray, the Provence Apothecary Regenerating Exfoliating Resurfacing Mask, or the 3 Ships Lip Treatment Kit. So I got the Provence Apothecary Regenerating Exfoliator Resurfacing Mask. What is this? Is the powder? Oh, heck no, I'm not doing that. So this is going to go up for swap. I'm not going to do that. It says the Provence Apothecary Regenerating Exfoliator and a Resurfacing Mask. It's made with all natural ingredients. This versatile vixen of a skincare product can be used in many different ways, leaving skin refreshed and rejuvenated. Cruelty-free and vegan, made from ingredients sourced in Canada. A portion of their profits are donated to support various local causes. Retails for $36. No. Not keeping that. And choice number 6, I guess everybody's supposed to get this, but I didn't. I didn't get this, but let's see. Maybe that's why they... Okay. I didn't get the Adesse New York Power Couple Nail Care Duo. I was wondering why I got this little card in the box, because it doesn't show the Wild Sponge on here. But it says, at the very bottom of this card, it says, good news, mentions that the Adesse is in every box, but the Wild Sponge is an alternative product for some members. Okay, so they must have run out or something, but I got this instead of that nail care thing, which is fine. I wouldn't have used it anyway. So this is the Wild Cognac Facial Cleansing Sponge. It's infused with French pink clay. How much is this thing? It doesn't say. Okay. The Wild Sponge was introduced as a choice product alternative to the Adesse Nail Care Duo in an effort to prevent potential shipping delays caused by unprecedented COVID-19 related production and logistical challenges. The Wild Sponge is an all-time member favorite and one of our most popular add-on market products ever, and we know you'll love it as much as we do. Oh, okay. Well, I got this instead. That's fine. I wouldn't have used that nail stuff, so I'm glad I got this because I like cognac sponges. I'm not sure how much they are, so I'll have to look this up. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Give us a thumbs up if you like unboxing videos. Subscribe if you have not. We'd love for you to join the fam. And click that bell if you like more notifications from me. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.